Hitachi is one of the best known and best loved excavator brands in the entire industry. With the launch of the new ZAXIS-7 range, one of the best just got a whole lot better. But don't take my word for it, have a look for yourself. We'll be taking a more in-depth look at the new ZAXIS-7 range in an exclusive watch party that will take place on our Facebook page at 6:30 p.m. on Wednesday the 3rd of February. We really hope to see you there. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.